Hey everyone, welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures, your ultimate destination for all things RC. I'm your host, Michael Rice, and today we've got something incredibly special for you. If you're into precision drifting and high-tech RC cars, stick around because we're diving into the brand new Traxxas 4-Tec Drift rear-wheel drive car. This is the Traxxas 4-Tec Drift, the ultimate experience in modern, smooth drifting action. Traxxas has truly outdone themselves with this one, and I can't wait to show you all the incredible features packed into this beast. Let's start with the heart of the 4-Tec Drift, the TSM Drift technology. This advanced system makes drifting easy and fun, even for beginners. You get to choose from 3 customizable drift modes through the Traxxas Link app, giving you maximum control and precision. It comes complete with this clipless Ford Mustang body. It's not just about looks, though the metallic paint and molded details are stunning. The body mounts integrate neatly, providing durability and a seamless look that stands out on the track. One of the standout features is the high-angle steering. With over 60 degrees of steering angle, you can execute big sideways drifts and quick transitions effortlessly. The front suspension is specially tuned for drifting, making this car incredibly responsive. With the included wireless module, you can harness the full potential of the TSM Drift modes. The full-color graphical interface on the Traxxas Link app lets you fine-tune your settings, making it easy to drift like a pro, whether you're a new driver or an advanced enthusiast. The 4-Tec Drift comes with 2 sets of 1.9-inch drift tires. The hard compound tires are perfect for abrasive surfaces like pavement, while the soft compound tires provide refined control on polished tracks. And let's not forget these stylish 6-spoke wheels with rubber inserts for secure tire placement. Under the hood, the 4-Tec Drift rides on a new rear-wheel drive platform. The responsive 200mm 4-Tec chassis, combined with the Titan Drift 21-turn motor, delivers smooth and predictable power for perfect drifts. The adjustable battery hold-down accommodates a wide range of batteries, including nickel metals and 2-cell LiPo packs, and with the waterproof electronics, you can enjoy drifting in any weather. Every aspect of the 4-Tec Drift is designed for high performance and ease of use. From the oil-filled Ultra shocks to the digital steering servo, Traxxas has ensured this car is ready for any challenge on the track. So what are you waiting for? If you're looking to take your RC drifting to the next level, the Traxxas 4-Tec Drift rear-wheel drive car is the way to go. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and let us know what you think about this incredible RC car. Also, be sure to subscribe to RRC Remote Adventures for fresh RC content every week. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the track.